What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba Group Holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. Please trade at your own risk. I'm going to first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So it looks like BABA is inside this yellow range, basically dating back to December of last year. Obviously, it's working really nice. Resistance at the highs, very obvious at the 77.50, support at the lows at the 70.54. So it's just being range bound. So since we just hit the lows, does that mean we're going to go up to the highs? Well, not all the time, but it looks like we can. So if I draw a trend line off for the swings, it looks like price needs to break this trend line right over here. Something like that. It looks like it already broke this one right over here, and we're just making a higher low for higher prices. And now this one would probably be the last one right here, but it looks like we're probably going to break it. I don't think this is going to have too much of an effect on the price action. So there's a good chance that we're going to probably be seeing higher prices because the measure move was also met. This is one leg down right here. Second leg down, target was basically met. It looks like we're setting up for a higher low, something like this. Looks like we're breaking out, pulling back, retest for another move up higher. So I'm looking for the higher side of the range. Looks like it's setting up to do that. And we might even see another larger leg in the future. This is all one leg right here. All this is the correction. And it looks like we could be setting up for much more upside. So again, it looks like it's setting up higher. Let's see what happens. I want to see a break above the 73.65. If we see that, I think we're going to probably see a move up to the 77.50. So that's what it's looking like it's setting up to do. Looking like it's setting up for higher prices. But overall on the weekly, meaning like the longer term time frames, it's still bearish. Price is still below this downward trend line, and we're still below this EMA. We'll see if we can get that move up higher. But overall, it's bearish. So long term, we can still see more downside. Even if we do see a move up higher towards the high 70s, we can still see price, get rejected from the trend line and, below the $80 level, which was prior support, and still continue lower. So overall, I'll still be expecting more downside unless we see a strong push through the trend line and the orange range, find support for higher prices. So until we do that, this is still bearish territory for more downside, but short term it is looking like it wants to move up higher. But long term, medium term, it looking like it wants to continue down lower. So again, you can have two perspectives, because in a downtrend, price still goes up. So like over here, you can't be bearish all the time. You're going to have these counter trend rallies. So same thing in a bull trend. You can't be bullish every time because you're going to have those counter trend rallies. So you have to have basically, a short-term perspective and a long-term perspective, a macro, a micro view. And micro is looking bullish, but macro is still looking bearish. So that's all I have for BABA on the daily weekly charts. And we'll see what happens by next week, Friday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.